Sir, I rise to speak on the National Institutes of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, NIPER, Amendment Bill 2021. The first NIPER was set up at Mohali in 1998. Since then, 6 other NIPERs have been set up. Ahmedabad, Guwahati, Hajipur in Bihar, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Raebareli. Now, the object of this bill is to bring all these NIPERs under one council to be headed by the minister himself. The idea is also to reduce the power of the local NIPERs, reducing their number of the Board of Governors from 23 to 12. And all these NIPERs are to be labeled as institutes of national importance. These are the 3 major objectives of this amendment. Now, pharmaceutical education and research is very good, very necessary. During this COVID pandemic, we have realized the value of manufacture of new medicines, new vaccines. Some of our companies have done extremely well, including Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech. Other pharmaceuticals companies like Reddy's Laboratories, etc., they have done very good in developing new medicines. But I want to know from the Honourable Minister, they say that they are doing some good work and doing some good research. 161 MOUs have been signed with industry. 5,277 research papers are published. I want to know from the Honourable Minister, tell me of one significant medicine or vaccine that has been developed by your NIPER so far. As my friend Dr. Virasamy said, that what have you really done? You have spent a lot of money in paying salaries, but what have you really done? Earlier, these NIPERs were not taking BPharm courses. In Calcutta, for instance, we have Jadavpur University giving BPharm degrees. Now, Niti Aayog advised that you open BPharm courses in all the NIPERs because there is a great demand for BPharm. People who work as medical representatives need a BPharm degree. Also, those who work in medicine companies, they also need BPharm degrees. Earlier, it was only MPharm and PhD that was being done at the NIPER. I would like the Minister to present to this House a position paper on the work done by the NIPER so far. Sir, you'll be surprised to know that apart from Mohali, none of the other 6 institutes have got permanent campuses. Ahmedabad, Guwahati, Hajipur, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Raebareli, they have no permanent campuses as yet. They are functioning from other places. For instance, in Kolkata, they are mentored by CSIR, Indian Institute of Chemical Biology, Kolkata. I would suggest to the Minister that in his department, Bengal Chemical is there. It is in the list of strategic disinvestment which is strongly opposed. Bengal Chemical have a lot of surplus land in their sulfuric acid plant in Panihati in my constituency. I would like him to set up a full-fledged NIPER campus in Panihati in Bengal. The other thing is that you had promised that for more NIPERs, because there is so much demand for NIPERs, you had promised that you will open some more NIPERs. But nothing has happened up to now. It's only on paper. I'll tell you, sir, that these NIPERs are not being opened for years together. The last ones were opened earlier. The NIPER Ahmedabad in 2014 and NIPER Hajipur in November 2018. After that, you have not opened a single NIPER. The government has not given approval. So I think that it is necessary to start the other NIPERs which has been promised. There is a lot of demand from Tamil Nadu. They are asking for 3 NIPERs. So when you are going to open these NIPERs is something I would like, which are already promised by the government, I would like to know. See, in the IITs which were set up earlier, they have done a great job. But NIPERs have not yet achieved that prominence. Sir, see, committee noted that there are proposals to create 5 more NIPERs at Madurai, Jhalawar, Nagpur, New Raipur and Bengaluru. What happened to the NIPER at Madurai or at Bengaluru? Why they have not been set up so far? The minister has to answer. The minister now has become, he's a very big minister, whole health ministry is under him. He is also chairman of the council of the NIPER. Where would he find time? He would say that I have a minister of state, in my absence he would preside over. The main thing is, these are high-end research institutes. We must encourage our scientists, pharmaceutical specialists, pharmacologists, so that they do first-rate work. You have to, and the committee had earlier recommended that consider similar courses like in natural products and traditional medicines also in NIPER. So far these NIPERs were doing only research on allopathic medicine. But what about research on natural products and Ayurvedic medicine? Ministry of Ayush may present a separate bill to promote and develop research on indigenous medical systems in NIPERs. And committee recommended that BPharm must be initiated to expand the pool of professionals for pharmacological research. So there is nothing very controversial about the bill. The government, we want to become Vishwaguru according to the Prime Minister. We exported vaccines to 80 countries. That's how our own vaccination program got delayed by 3 months, 6 months. So ये विश्व गुरु अगर बनना है उसके पहले अपने को गुरु बनाइए. तो इसके साथ मैं ये बिल पर मेरा भाषण समाप्त करता हूँ.